Imagine a smartphone that meets your everyday needs and transforms how you use your phone. That's exactly what Nothing is aiming to achieve with its much-anticipated release, the Phone 3. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a bold leap forward designed to challenge what we expect from mobile technology. Let's take a closer look at what sets this device apart and why it could completely reshape the smartphone landscape. To begin with, let's talk about the design. Staying true to its signature style, Nothing maintains its commitment to minimalist aesthetics with a clean, sleek appearance that instantly stands out. One of the most unique aspects of the design is the transparent back, which gives you a subtle glimpse into the internal components, something that has become a hallmark of Nothing devices. Adding to the visual appeal is the interactive LED glyph interface, which is more than just a cool design element. These strategically placed LEDs serve a practical purpose by offering smart, intuitive notifications. Whether it's an incoming call, a message, or a charging status update, the glyph lights keep you informed at a glance, so you don't even need to lift your phone to know what's going on. Now, let's dive into the display features of the Nothing Phone 3. This device is equipped with a large 6.77-inch AMOLED LTPO flat panel, offering users a truly immersive viewing experience. The display supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making everything from browsing social media feeds to binge-watching your favorite shows incredibly fluid and responsive. Thanks to the AMOLED technology, colors appear rich, vivid, and full of contrast, enhancing both entertainment and everyday use. Another standout feature is its exceptional brightness, reaching a peak of up to 3000 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in direct sunlight or harsh outdoor conditions. Good news for all photography lovers, there's a lot to get excited about. The Nothing Phone 3 is equipped with a powerful triple camera system, each boasting a 50-megapixel sensor. This includes a high-resolution main camera for crisp and clear everyday shots, an ultra-wide lens perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes and large group photos, and a 3x periscope telephoto lens that allows you to zoom in on faraway subjects without losing detail. Whether you're snapping wide-angle nature scenes or close-up portraits from a distance, this advanced camera setup has you covered. Plus, with support for 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, your video content will be sharp, smooth, and professional looking, perfect for creators and casual users alike. Beneath the surface, the Phone 3 is expected to be equipped with either the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite or the freshly released Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This advanced chipset promises not only lightning-fast performance, but also highly efficient power usage, allowing users to multitask effortlessly. Whether you're switching between apps, streaming content, or diving into graphics-intensive mobile games, the Nothing Phone 3 is built to handle it all smoothly and without lag. Let's take a moment to talk about the impressive battery life of the Nothing Phone 3. The device is powered by a robust 5000 mAh battery, which ensures that you have more than enough power to get through your entire day without the need to scramble for a charger. Whether you're using it for browsing, streaming, gaming, or handling work tasks, you can count on the Phone 3 to keep going strong. Additionally, the phone supports wireless charging, providing you with the convenience of a cable-free experience. No more tangled cords or searching for charging ports. Just place your device on a wireless charger and you're good to go. This feature not only enhances the overall user experience, but also reduces clutter and makes charging more hassle-free. Moving on to one of the most exciting features, the integration of artificial intelligence. While we only got a brief demo of it last year, it gave us a clear hint that Nothing is actively developing its own intelligent AI assistant. This smart assistant is expected to be deeply integrated into the Phone 3, possibly making it the very first Nothing device to launch with this innovative AI capability built in. At its heart, the Nothing Phone 3 is far more than just another addition to the ever-expanding list of smartphones. It's a meticulously engineered device that seamlessly blends sleek design, impressive performance, and innovative user-friendly features. This phone has been crafted not just to captivate with its striking visual appeal, but also to meet the everyday needs of users with ease, ensuring that it can keep up with the demands of modern life without breaking a sweat. The official release date is anticipated to be around July 2025, so make sure you mark that on your calendar. This is one gadget that tech enthusiasts and early adopters won't want to miss out on. Now we are genuinely curious. What do you think about the forthcoming Nothing Phone 3? Does it have you feeling excited and intrigued, or do you believe it still has a lot to prove before it can truly stand out? We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions, so feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all the latest tech news, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.